Everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a different type of plan. This is the travel survival plan. This is when you got to travel from point A to point B, whether it's, you got to drive 30 miles every day to get to work, or whether this is a vacation, you're driving from one state to another, a family reunion going from, wherever to wherever. You're out traveling and things go wrong. It could be as simple as you have hotel reservations, you get there, they were overbooked, and they already gave out your room. Or you get there and there's some natural disaster happened and the hotel is gone. And all the surrounding hotels have more people in them, or they've been damaged. What are you going to do? If you were planning on staying in a hotel, do you actually have a plan to fall back on? Do you have a plan to have certain things in your vehicle? This is what I want you to do. Think about it. Make a plan to say what you are going to do if while you are traveling, anything or everything goes wrong. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. Try to grow some food outdoors and indoors. And make sure you're traveling safe.